Extremely important when applying the research to a real-life setting. 25 Trusted source. If you dislike counting calories, the data suggests a ketogenic diet is a great option for you. You can simply eliminate certain foods and don't have to track calories. Bottom line, the ketogenic diet is an effective weight loss diet that's well supported by evidence. It is very filling and usually does not require calorie counting. Mechanisms behind ketogenic diets and weight loss. Here's how ketogenic diets promote weight loss. Higher protein intake. Some ketogenic diets lead to an increase in protein intake, which has many weight loss benefits. 23 Trusted source. Food elimination. Limiting your carb intake also limits your food options. This can noticeably reduce calorie intake, which is key for fat loss. 24 Trusted source. 25 Trusted source. Gluconeogenesis. Your body converts fat and protein into carbs for fuel. This process may burn many additional calories each day. 26 Trusted source. 27 Trusted source. Appetite suppressant. Ketogenic diets help you feel full. This is supported by positive changes in hunger hormones, including leptin and ghrelin. 28 Trusted source. Improved insulin sensitivity. Ketogenic diets can drastically improve insulin sensitivity, which can help improve fuel utilization and metabolism. 29 Trusted source. Decreased fat storage. Some research suggests ketogenic diets may reduce lipogenesis, the process of converting sugar into fat. 30 Trusted source. Increased fat burning. Ketogenic diets rapidly increase the amount of fat you burn during rest, daily activity and exercise. 31 Trusted source. 32 Trusted source. It is very clear that a ketogenic diet can be a successful weight loss tool compared to the recommended high-carb, low-protein and low-fat diets. Bottom line, a ketogenic diet may help you burn fat, reduce calorie intake and increase feelings of fullness, compared to other weight loss diets. A ketogenic diet can fight metabolic diseases. Metabolic syndrome describes 5 common risk factors for obesity, type 2 diabetes and heart disease. 33 Trusted source. 34 Trusted source. High blood pressure. Abdominal obesity, lots of belly fat, high levels of bad LDL cholesterol, low levels of good HDL cholesterol, high blood sugar levels. Many of these risk factors can be improved, or even eliminated, with nutritional and lifestyle changes. 35 Trusted source. Insulin also plays an important role in diabetes and metabolic disease. Ketogenic diets are extremely effective for lowering insulin levels, especially for people with type 2 diabetes or pre-diabetes. 36 Trusted source. 37 Trusted source. 38 Trusted source. One study found that after only 2 weeks on a ketogenic diet, insulin sensitivity improved by 75% and blood sugar dropped from 7.5 mmol/L to 6.2 mmol/L. 36 Trusted source. A 16-week study also found a 16% reduction in blood sugar levels. Additionally, 7 of the 21 participants were able to completely stop all diabetic medication. 39 Trusted source. A ketogenic diet can also have amazing effects on triglyceride levels. One study found that triglyceride levels fell from 107 to 79 mg per deciliter after only 4 weeks. 40 Trusted source. Bottom line, ketogenic diets can improve many aspects of the metabolic syndrome, a major risk factor for obesity, type 2 diabetes and heart disease. The mechanisms behind the effects on metabolic disease. There are several